Hi friends, this is a slightly lengthy question on time and work. A tank of 425 liters capacity has been filled with water through two pipes, the first pipe having been opened 5 hours longer than the second. If the first pipe were open as long as the second and the second pipe was open as long as the first, then the first pipe would deliver half the amount of water delivered by the second pipe. If the two pipes are open simultaneously, the tank would be filled in 17 hours. How long was the second pipe open? So let's go step by step. First of all, let the first pipe delivers A liters in an hour and the second one B liters in an hour. So in 17 hours, they deliver 17 into A plus B, that is 425 liters. So A plus B is 25 and B is 25 minus A. This is the first thing that we get to know, that first pipe delivers A liters per minute or per hour and the second pipe delivers 25 minus A liters per hour. Secondly, it says that the time taken by A is T and the time taken by B is T minus 5. So in T hours, A delivers T A liters and in T minus 5 hours, B delivers T minus 5 into B liters. Total is 425. And then replacing B by 25 minus A in the second line, we can solve the equation to get A equal to 110 minus 5T. This is the second thing we get. Now coming to the third one, we are told that if the timings are interchanged, then the first pipe delivers half as much as the second pipe. So now the first pipe is delivering A liters in for T minus 5 hours and the second pipe is delivering B liters for T hours. Then the total delivery of A of the first pipe is half the delivery of the second pipe. So we get T minus 5 into A equal to half into TB. So from there we get the third line, 280 minus 10A equal to 25T minus TA. Now taking A common and replacing A by 110 minus 5T. See, we got here A equal to 110 minus 5T. So from 280 minus 10A equal to 25T minus TA, if I take A common, then I get A into 3T minus 10 equal to 25T. It's not written here. A into 3T minus 10 equal to 25T and replacing A by 110 minus 5T. Replacing A by 110 minus 5T, we get 110 minus 5T into 3T minus 10 equal to 25T. So we solve the whole thing in terms of T and we get two values of T, one as 20 and the other as 11 by 3. So from the options we know that we have to find T minus 5 as B works for T minus 5 hours. So T minus 5 will be 15 and 15 is the answer. This sum may be easier done by going by the options. So if the second pipe works for 10 hours, then the first pipe works for 5 hours, and taking that into account, we can check with all the data that we are provided. So since we know that the answer is C now, we can say that A works for 10 hours and B works for 15 hours, and then do the back calculations and check. That may be a little faster. Otherwise, this is a very lengthy sum and prone to mistakes. I would rather not attempt it during the exam. I will attempt this question only if I have got nothing else to attempt in the exam. Cheers and all the best.